Basically, I made this roadmap of 5 steps without any extra work or coaching and 95% goal. I highly recommend using self. Of course, we all want 95 marks in our maths exam. But is it really simple as that? Well, I got 95 marks in both my class 10th and class 12th maths, so I think I can help you all with my experience. Basically, I made this roadmap of 5 steps without any extra work or coaching, and it really helped me achieving my 95% goal in mathematics for both class 10th and class 12th. So I won't lie to you, just listen to it quickly. The first step is always and always doing your NCERT book. I'm not telling you to just do the exercise questions. I'm telling you to do each and every example 2 to 3 times. It will really help you throughout your exam, trust me. Second step includes using a different book. In my case, I didn't purchase an extra book, so I just used the supplementary book your school provides. The third step is actually going on YouTube and doing your study. Let me explain it to you. I always used to do maths questions from YouTube. Just go on to the search bar and type class 10 chapter number important questions and you will get your 2-hour study session. If you want, I can recommend you some of the study channels I used to watch so it can help you too. Just tell me in the comments. Second last step is basically doing sample papers as much as possible to improve your speed and understanding of questions. I highly recommend using self-study website because it has all the free materials you have been looking for. It has all the sample papers for free and all the study materials that can help you. The last step is actually the combination of all the steps. I remember when my exams are really close, I just used to do the extra questions on YouTube and just review each and every questions of NCERT just to check if I am getting how to solve those questions as soon as I look at them. If in case not, I would do them again. And that's it. This was the 5 stages roadmap. And it will seem like doing hard work, but I'm telling you, having a clear path in front of you with clear steps is much more smarter work. I hope you like this video, and if yes, tell me in the comment section and thanks for later.